Hello from Mobius 8 Organics, and welcome back to Fun Worm Facts. Today we're getting a little dirty, because we're talking about worm poop. That's right, worm castings, and let me tell you, they're worth their weight in black gold. Why do we call it black gold, you ask? Well, worm castings are one of the most nutrient-rich, all-natural fertilizers on the planet. When worms eat your organic scraps, their digestive system works some serious magic. As worms digest, they break down organic material into castings packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and a whole buffet of essential micronutrients. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the nutrients, it's the microbial action that makes worm castings truly extraordinary. Worm castings are teeming with beneficial microbes. These tiny helpers improve soil health by breaking down nutrients into forms that plants can easily absorb. They also help suppress harmful pathogens in the soil, creating a thriving, balanced environment for your plants. And guess what? Worm castings are pH neutral, which means they won't burn your plants like some fertilizers. Just sprinkle a little around your garden, houseplants, or even your vegetable beds, and watch the magic happen. Not only do worm castings boost plant growth and health, but they also improve soil texture, helping it retain moisture and preventing compaction. It's like giving your soil a spa day. So next time you think about worms, remember this. Their poop might just be the secret ingredient your garden has been missing. Who knew a worm's behind could be so beneficial? That's today's Fun Worm Fact. If you're loving these little nuggets of worm wisdom, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. And if you've got worm questions or composting tips, let's talk in the comments. Until next time, keep your soil healthy and your worms happy. Happy composting, everyone.